Hello, international students, and welcome to Kansas State University from the International Student and Scholar Services. I'm Boglarka Davies, one of your international student advisors. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the arrival checklist for new international students. You can find this on our orientation webpage under arrival checklist. You should go through all these items on your checklist before school starts, so when school starts, you will be ready to go. First, I want to talk to you about the English proficiency test and speak test. If you have an English language program hold, check in with EIP to take the Wildcat English proficiency test, or if you are a graduate student with a graduate teaching assistantship, you will need to take the speak test. To check in with EIP, please email their office at eip@ksu.edu or visit 205 Fairchild Hall. If you are not sure if you need to take either of these tests, EIP will be able to assist you. Next, you will need to get your K-State ID card. You can go to the www.ksu.edu website and click on Cases. To log in, use your EID and password. You will see a to-do list on the right side of your screen, and ID card procedures should be on your list. You will need your admissions letter, your I-20 or DS-2019, and your passport to request an ID card. The cost of the card is $25. You'll be notified when your card is ready to be picked up, and the ID center is located in the K-State Student Union. Permanent address. You are required to maintain a foreign residence while you are in the U.S. To update this permanent address, please email isss@ksu.edu. Immigration also requires that you always have a valid home, meaning your U.S. address. This home address is where you are physically living. Any changes of address must be updated within 10 days of the change through your Cases account. You can go to the kstate.edu website and click on Cases. Use your EID and password to log in. J1 students also need to notify ISSS via email when the update has been made in Cases. You can send an email to isss@ksu.edu. You should register your address anytime you move with the post office. This will help ensure that your mail is getting delivered to you. To register your address, you will need to fill out an address card. These address cards are available at ISSS or the Central Mail Services at Dykstra Hall, room 127. We also have resources for students that are living off campus. The Student Director of Off-Campus Housing Support is located in 201 Holton Hall. You can see their contact information on the screen. They provide free services regarding information about the rights and responsibilities of tenants and landlords. So if you have a question about your lease, or maybe you have an issue with your landlord, the resources for the student director of the off-campus housing support may be able to help you and assist with anything you need. Health insurance is required for all international students. You will see a charge for health insurance on your tuition and bill once you have enrolled. If you have alternative qualifying coverage, you must complete and submit the health insurance waiver form prior to the waiver deadline, which is August 31st. You will be emailed instructions from a company called ECI. If the waiver is approved, the charge will be removed from your account. Students must submit the waiver every semester that they are enrolled at K-State. United Healthcare fall coverage dates are from August 1st to December 31st. You can visit the kstate.edu/ISSS Students Health Insurance website for more information. Graduate students with a qualifying assistantship must enroll directly with United Healthcare. You can go to this website that you see in the screen, which is a kstate.edu HCS benefits insurance health link, and you you can download the enrollment form and you can view the deadline information. Once ISSS confirms enrollment and payment for the GTA-GRA-GA plan, the fee will be removed from your CASES student account. Please complete the university health requirements by visiting Lafayette Health Center's website, and then you need to log into your My Lafayette Plus patient portal and select medical clearances. Once there, complete the TB questionnaire and upload a picture of your immunization records. All students are required to complete the TB questionnaire. TB testing may be required, and 2 MMR vaccines. If you plan to live in university housing, you will be required some additional vaccines. Once you have completed the TB questionnaire, plan to visit Lafayette Health Center. If you arrive prior to the week of orientation, you can visit Lafayette Health Center from 8:30 a.m. through 11:30 a.m. Monday through Friday. There will also be designated time on Wednesday, August 13th and Thursday, August 14th from 8:30 a.m. until 11:30 a.m. for students who have yet to complete this requirement. If you miss the above dates, you need to call Lafayette Health Center to schedule a time with a nurse to complete your screening, and their phone number is 785-532-6544. If you're unable to call, please send a message to the nurse through the patient portal. Lab testing completed outside the U.S. for TB and MMR will not be accepted. You will not be required to pay for the TB test the day it is taken. If the test is covered by your insurance provider, you will not have any additional costs. If you choose to purchase a health insurance plan other than the United Healthcare, be certain to verify your plan will cover the cost of your TB test. For your plan to cover the cost of the TB test, your coverage must be effective on the date you take the TB test. All insurance policies are different in their coverages, costs, and the percentage of your medical costs that will be reimbursed. ISSS recommends United Healthcare insurance because we know it meets all the requirements. If you have not enrolled for classes yet and you are an undergraduate or EAP-only student, please connect with the Office of Recruitment and Admissions via phone or email, and you can see their contact information on the screen. Graduate students must first contact graduate school by sending an email to gradintladmt@ksu.edu. Graduate students then need to contact their major professor. If you will be working, you must have a Social Security number. Do not submit your application to the Social Security Administration until you verify with ISSS you have all the necessary documentation. In order for ISSS to verify, you must be enrolled in a full course of study. You have to enter your U.S. address in CASES and submit the verification of employment letter via email to isss@ksu.edu. Be sure the letter is on department letterhead, signed by your department, and that your name matches your passport. Failure to follow these procedures could cause significant delays in the issuance of your Social Security number and hiring process through K-State. I also want to talk to you about the ATA bus. K-State and ATA bus partner together to provide free public transportation to students, faculty, and staff on the K-State campus. K-State buses have a route around campus. They operate from 7 a.m. until 7:15 p.m. Monday through Friday. If you wait at a designated bus stop, a bus should come by within 15 minutes. You will need to have your valid Wildcat ID upon boarding. K-State buses do not operate when school is not in session. So during the summer break or winter break or spring break, you will not have those buses running around campus. ATA bus, though, has provided Manhattan shuttle routes that operate all year round. The Manhattan routes will cost an additional fee to use. Some students may qualify for a half-fare program to reduce those fees. You should check out our resources page for more information. You can also get more information on the ATA buses website, and the website is listed on the screen. You can download the Transit mobile app to get accurate arrival times and map-based vehicle locations on your ATA bus. You are required to participate in the new International Student Orientation. You will first receive an email invitation from K-State Canvas to participate in the orientation course. Please review all the videos in the modules to complete this requirement. A hold will be placed on your student account in cases for failure to complete this requirement. You are also required to attend the ISSS in-person orientation starting on Monday, August 12 at 8:30 a.m. in Umberger Hall, room 105. You can visit our orientation webpage for the full ISSS orientation schedule. I also want to share a few online orientation resource links with you. There is information on our website about driver's license, social security, campus safety, transportation within Manhattan, international student associations, information regarding bicycles, and much more. You can also get a copy of our campus map on the website as well. I'd like to give you a warm welcome to K-State. Your next step is to complete the online orientation Canvas course, and we will see you on August 12th at the in-person orientation. We are so glad you are here and can't wait for you to join the Wildcats. Have a great day.